In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to delete your FPL account. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website fantasy.premierleague.com. Provide your credentials and log into your account. You'll be directed to this page. Now, navigate to the tab Big Team. Then scroll all the way down. Head over to this section, Admin. Under that, you're going to find the option User Profile. Click on that. You'll be directed to this page. Over here, you're going to find different option. Scroll to the right and navigate to the option Manage Account. In this page, you're going to find two options, Sign Out and Delete Account. You'll need to click on the option Next for Delete Account. This process will permanently delete your Premier League account details along with access to Fantasy Premier League. Once confirmed, your account will be permanently deleted in 21 days, and if you'd like to return, you will need to create a new account. Clicking on Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Once you do that, your account will be scheduled for deletion. And that's it. This way you can easily delete your Fantasy Premier League account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.